All right, we're back for another one. Big Owen, let's go. I guess we're taking the alligator skin Cummins. David's ready. I'm partially ready. We're gonna take out a fence and drop a big ass tree, I believe. Definitely taking out a fence, I know that. Let's go. John's got it going on. Alright, we're taking the full rig again. He's ready for it. Haven't driven this beast in a while. Black Betty. Alright, John's got us on one. He's pulled in, alright. I think we're gonna be pulling out some of this fence, I don't know, but either way, this is the tree. Let's see what we do. Found these little things.
We'll probably just pop this cap off. I got to figure it out, but
He's done it before. Alright, so you want to go this way with it?
Yeah, probably easier.
Alright, let me pull it up. Does that come off?
Yeah, it comes off. It's on there pretty good, though.
Yeah, it might be.
There you go.
Yeah. Go learn the ways. Pull these wires out. That technique. Oh damn. Alright, pick that. There you go. Oh, now get it up. You wanna give it that technique, Xavier? Yeah. Let's see what we got. Oh, he bent it. He bent it.
Yeah.
The dude, no, there he goes. Yeah, they bend up the concrete. Oh, damn, it's on the root too. He said, I'll get it out. Oh, it's on roots everywhere. Try to break that. Oh, yeah. Nice.
Yeah.
Saved it.
Oh, yeah. There you go.
What do you need?
Oh, we're doing right here with this. See this right here? Goes in here. Have you poured it out? You can't?
I think so.
Poured it, yeah.
There we go, right here. Coming now.
I think the plug on the door. Yeah, I couldn't see it.
Set up. Yeah, a little bit. This one's gonna be fun. Almost hit my face on that, so I'm gonna leave this here. Let's see what John's got. Yeah, there you go. Built into the roots now. Oh yeah. Can you turn towards me a little bit? Yeah, right there, yeah. Yeah. You go down. Yeah, get down right there. Yeah, there you go. Alright, yeah. Should have room. Got watch at the building. I guess that little bit of fence, watch at the pool. Shouldn't come this far, but it's looking good. I jump in. I'm gonna get this little branch out of there. There's one going back. We'll get that, trim up a couple more, get it shaped up, and I think it'll come right over. Let's do it. Xavier's on it, man. He ain't scared of nothing. Booyah. Yeah, hit another one. Yeah, hit another one. Nice. All right, we're going up. Going up.
Yeah, she fights with it. He's cool with it.
He's just calm. Yeah, he's cool.
He's cool with it.
He's ready to chill.
Got him out.
Oh yeah. You're getting it. Oh, it's a fat tree, man. You ready? Nice. Big stuff, man. Nice. All right. Thinned out. Gonna set this rope and get a little bit off this backside. Ah, not bad. See what we got here. Yeah, hold it for a minute and then let it rip if it will. Good job, keep holding. Let it rip, let it rip. Hold it. Oh, not bad, huh? All right, John, go ahead and hold that rope and he'll trim it. That was a longer piece than I thought. It went out there, huh? It's looking better. Oh yeah, John, it's looking better now.
Yeah, cleaned up.
It's just got some on that side, but I ain't worried about that. Yeah, and I got a wedge with me if it starts to get heavy. I think we're good, right? I get this, John. Get this thing out of the way. It's looking better. One piece going that way, one piece going that way. We're getting this piece off the back here. Oh yeah, laid out. Yeah, let me get that rope. Nice. All right. Let's set this up. All right, let's do it. Hold it. All right, drive it, drive it, drive it, drive it, drive it. There you go, nice. Boom. Do another one. Way better. Go. Whatever, John. Jesus, is big ass tree, dude. I'm glad we brought the wedges. They'll probably have you with the wedges.
Tapping.
Tapping as we did.
Oh, you got video? Slow.
I know one thing, that's a big tree.
I know, boy. I tell you, boy, you got a hell of a deal there.
We did it first, yeah.
Ha! You did it first.
That's the reason,
Hey.
that's the reason you were ignoring me.
That was Howard's place.
That's the reason. That's the reason you were ignoring me.
That's
Like,
Howard. That's where the house that Howard is.
you know anybody? Did y'all take this wood to anybody?
Yeah, we gotta sell it. I mean, we gotta pay it before we take it.
Paint it.
We gotta pay.
Oh, I don't know what that means.
You gotta pay the duck. You know what I'm saying?
You can
Oh, that shit was burning.
get rid of it, huh?
Well, I gotta pay. You know what I'm saying? Big chip
That's
down.
a heck of a stuff, isn't it?
Big chip down on.
Huh?
Big chip down.
Are you going to chip it off some?
I'm gonna chip it off at the right there with that thing with it. I'm gonna cut it down as long as we can.
You know, Butch on that thing and got a blood clot in his
Well,
leg.
he still might fall. There's gonna be a lot of root there now. That's a big tree.
You ain't kidding.
Yeah.
Try to trim some of them.
You get Billy to grind it for you.
I know. I got to get Billy over here to do this one too.
Yeah, I told him if I can get in there, I'll see if I can touch that and see if I might be able to
If
pop
you
it
can
up.
smooth it, even if you can smooth it over.
Yeah, I'm gonna see if it's
You
round
can
enough, I
smooth-
might be able to.
If you can smooth it down, I can put something on it, you know, and kind of.
Let's have it cool on a little bit. You want that swing there?
Uh,
You want that swing first?
yeah, I ain't got no shade no more, though, have I?
I didn't know that.
I
I
say
was gonna get up for you. I didn't know if you
it
wanted.
won't be long before we can get out here and swing without burning up.
Oh yeah, at least you won't be making a mess.
Supposed to be swinging I'll bring it in
That's
Saturday
nice.
morning. Well, I'm glad you got that thing. Well, I know it is, but
I like to have good equipment to work with.
I bet it saved you some.
Yeah, they say with the other machine just made a mess in the yard, you know.
Yeah, I would, but if you can, do something right there as in that walkway, because that's where he fell. You know, his balance is bad anyway. And I mean, he fell and hit right here. If he had a bigger time, we have
Oh yeah. That's a big mug. How we looking?
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's beautiful. I'm gonna cut the two sides so they're not as wide, and then get a little of this stuff out. That's right on. That look good to you, right? Is it looking alright? Yeah, tighten up a little. Oh yeah, Excavator.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, let me get a couple inches in and I'll where it touches the bar a little bit and I'll have you stick those in.
All right.
We'll use those first and then this for emergency. Tap it lightly. Not crack. Harder. gotcha, man. That was good, huh?
Hell yeah. It
That's
took
fun, right?
Yeah.
Good job, John. Good job. Hey, buddy. You old timer. What you doing, boy? He's hanging out. Wanna say hi? I love me a good dog. Hey, buddy. Yeah, good boy. Yes. You having a good day? We took your tree down, man. Sorry, no more sticks. You got some more trees over there. You'll be all right. What's your name? Huh? No name? Sweet boy. See you in a little bit, dude. You get lost back in there. They coming for you. They're pulling dirt right out of the top now. That's a brand new machine too.
Yeah, that's what they lost for like that. They done one down there didn't just like.
Jeez. They got rivers down there, yeah. Yeah, this is where we dump, I guess. Roger made us come back. Oh, look at that. Damn. We dumping for Roger. You got it, you got it. Oh my God. Damn, bro, that's a pile for the burn pile. Oh Lord.
Roger.
That's a pile for Roger. Look, John's pile goes from back there.
all the way up in here.
It blocks the road. Hell yeah.
Just for Roger.
Yeah, Roger gonna have to get on his machine now. Good Lord. Oh. Yeah, your man is stuck. Got some mambas. It's gonna fill the trailer. Just the log. Some big ones, huh? Got the big stump sitting up there. We're about done, man. Yeah, you sweet boy. Yes, what's your name? Always the nicest dogs. I love you, buddy. See you soon.